So we will start with the first case of plane wall. Insulated from outside, right? So assuming this is the plane wall and it has surface area A, and this surface is maintained at temperature Ts, and it is kept in ambient having T infinity and H heat transfer coefficient. To reduce the heat loss, we are insulating it from one side. This is the insulation. Right. This is H, this is T infinity, and this is the insulation thickness L. This is the base material, and we are not concerned about its thermal resistance, as we mentioned in the assumptions. This is the base material. So heat transfer without insulation for this case, without insulation, will be Ts, right? Ts and T infinity. Ts minus T infinity divided by only one convection resistance is there. So this is the heat transfer. But with insulation, it is again surface temperature Ts. We are assuming that fixed temperature drop, right? It means that Ts minus T infinity, Ts minus T infinity, both the cases, right? 1 by HA, and this temperature difference is not changing with time and all, right? This was the assumption here we made. This 1 by HA, first the convection resistance, and then this conductive resistance L by K insulation times A, L by Ka, right? So we can see that since it is a plane wall, if we add insulation in this direction, that area also will be A. This area and this area will be same, right? So what is changing? So area is constant. This extra thing is adding, right? So 1 by HA is constant. If we add the insulation, 1 by HA is constant, but we are adding something to it, L by Ka, and A is constant, so L by K we are adding. Because of that, what will happen? If we increase the value of L, what will happen? Conduction resistance will increase, L by K will increase, and but convective resistance is constant since H and A are constant. It implies total resistance, which is convection plus conduction, will increase. Okay, so heat loss will decrease. So if we increase the thickness, which is L here, heat transfer will always decrease for the case of plane wall. Mind that. So next we will see about the insulation of hollow cylinder and sphere. Thank you.